I have very, very high hopes for this concealer. This is the brand new Future Fluid All Over Cream Concealer from Milk Makeup. Pictures of this that I've been seeing online, I've just like, I have a feeling. You know when you just get a feeling about makeup that you're like, this is gonna be phenomenal. And apparently this also is like an all-over concealer that you can use to sculpt, contour, bronze. So I only have one shade here. We're obviously gonna try this out under the eyes, see how the coverage is, see how everything looks, see how it agrees with powder. I am very textured on these areas of my face. I normally actually highlight that T-zone with a lighter foundation. So for me to love a concealer in these areas and not look heavy on my forehead and anything is a tall order. I'm also gonna prime the lids with this because it's another test for me to really see how it works. Then we'll pop this on everywhere else and really put this thing through the ringer. So to prime the lids, I'm gonna use this concealer, but what I've been doing recently is mixing an eyeshadow primer into my concealer, so I get the best of both worlds. I get coverage, but I also get the gripping power of a primer. So I'm mixing this with what else? The Milk Hydra Grip Eye Primer, because I figure hopefully the formulas work well together. I just did this eye and wow, they really did mix beautifully, and this was one little swatch of the concealer, and this is really going a very long way. Like, I normally have to use more concealer to prime my eyelids. Wow, that gave really awesome coverage. The finish is like sick, and I feel the tackiness from that gripping primer. Plus you're getting the coverage of this. I love that those formulas mix so well together and blend out like a dream. It really is a very pigmented concealer because one little swipe of it did both eyes, which is rare for concealer. So yeah, now I'm just gonna finish everything up till we're ready to put the concealer on the face, and I'll be right back. All right, everything else is on. We have foundation, bronzer, contour, eyes done. So now it is concealer time. I'm so excited to try this. Before we go in with this, I just wanna read you the claims on the website. So this is the Future Fluid All Over Cream Concealer. This comes in 30 shades. It is a multi-use medium to full coverage concealer that covers, sculpts, and hydrates for a lightweight, crease-proof, natural finish. I love that. It is vegan, cruelty-free, paraben, fragrance, silicone, alcohol, and gluten-free. All right, so I'm dying to go in with this. Let's just do this up. Okay, so I normally do a little bit of color corrector under the eye. I'm not gonna do that because I wanna see the coverage on this by itself. I really like the little doe foot. It's like a very pinched little kind of teardrop. Don't know how much to use. Let's start with that. And I'm gonna blend it out with my e.l.f. little, this is the concealer, I think the camo sponge. Wow, that blended out beautifully. It almost has like a very, wow, oh my God, looking at the monitor, it almost has a very silky finish to it. Like it really looks like your skin but better. It doesn't feel or look heavy at all. It's not creasing since it's been on my eye. The coverage is great. I definitely would say this is a medium coverage concealer, which I'm not mad about. I'm over the like crazy full coverage like wall paint concealers. So this is really pretty so far. I want to do one more dot down here just to see and highlight a little bit. Wow, it definitely is buildable as well, like where I double layered up right here over that blue vein that I have and the redness. It covered it really well. Like, wow, look at the difference with and without. Okay, so that is it blended out under the eyes. This is looking really beautiful. Now I want to do it a little bit in the T-zone. Like I said, I don't normally do concealer here because it just is a very textured area for me. So if this can look good, I'm excited. And I'm really gonna do a very little bit because it's a very pigmented concealer. So that is all we're gonna put on. Okay, that is blended out in those areas, and guys, it's looking stunning. It's not accentuating any texture. Even on my nose, nothing ever sticks to my nose. It looks beautiful on my chin. I would definitely say too, I really don't think this is like a full coverage concealer, which I'm happy about. I really almost like the reflectiveness it has. It almost reminds me of the Say Beauty Hydra Beam, but with a little bit more coverage, but in the way that when the light hits it, just the light diffusion. And even if you're someone who has mature skin or dry skin, and it's hard to find a concealer that actually gives you coverage, but that isn't gonna crease and look heavy, this may be the ticket for you because my God, it looks gorgeous. And I love the fact that they say you can contour with this. I think I'm gonna have to get my hand on more shades to see because I could see that being stunning. All right guys, so we're about to set it. I'm using the New House Labs translucent powder, and I have to say, it's been about maybe 5 minutes since I just put this on, and so far there is literally zero creasing, and I can't even describe this. This is a rare occurrence when it comes to concealer. It almost dried down to the point that I think if you have dry skin, you might not even need to set this, which is huge, especially for mature skin where you don't want to add more powder. It's looking dope, but let's go ahead and set it and see how this looks. Okay, now I'm gonna set the forehead area, and I always crease up here, so I'm definitely excited to see how this looks. All right, so everything is set, and guys, this looks unbelievable, this concealer. It literally looks like a second skin. There is no heaviness, no creasing. The powder, it worked beautiful with the powder. I'm in love. I'm so happy. This really is not like letting me down at all. I'm just gonna finish my makeup, which will probably take me a little bit of time because I'm filming quite a lot of videos, and I wanna see if anything changed, and I'll be back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, we have reached the end of the video. The makeup is done, and I said it in the beginning, and my dream came true. This floored me. Hey, future me. So, I gotta say, I filmed this video like 2.5 weeks ago, and I've been using this concealer ever since, and I had to insert a little thing here and let you know that I've been trying this on other people for the past 2.5 weeks, and everything I thought about this first impression wise in this video, I am tripling down on. I've used this twice to do my future sister-in-law's makeup who has oily skin, and it looked absolutely stunning. Then I just did a couple weddings the past few weeks, and I've used this on mature skin, dry skin, combination skin, and you need the littlest bit of this, but the pigmentation is so rich that it gives you the coverage you want with a little bit. And on anyone I put it on, there was no creasing. Even mature and dry skin, I could use the littlest bit of setting powder just right in here to make sure nothing was really gonna settle in this area, and it was absolutely stunning. I truly cannot recommend this concealer enough. It's blown me away. I genuinely feel this is so unique in the sense that it really is a beautiful medium coverage concealer, but like I said, I put this on my under eyes and walked around for like 5-10 minutes, did stuff, got stuff together before I set anything, and I was shocked when I looked in the mirror that nothing was creasing, and it almost dries down to this beautiful second skin, where if you have mature and dry skin, I genuinely think you could get away with not even setting this, or use the littlest bit of powder to set it if you need to, but it's almost self-setting in that regard, which is shocking because a lot of self-setting things are like cream to powder, which I don't love, but this has some kind of magic going on. There's a reason this is called the future concealer. Even in my T-zone where I put this, where I genuinely always have a lot of texture, everything is looking stunning. So this truly is gonna become one of my staples, and I hands down wanna get my hands on the darker shades for contouring and sculpting, because this looks so beautiful as just a complexion product that I think it would look beautiful on the face. It doesn't have that thick cakiness of a normal concealer, which I just am obsessed with, because as someone with textured skin, concealer's my worst nightmare, but this is 10 out of 10 for me. Highly recommend. As always, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, please. And if you are already subscribed, hit the little notification bell and you'll be notified every single time I post. I post every single day, and especially I'm getting into doing more long form videos, so you don't want to miss out. You'll get a notification right when I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Wherever you are, I hope you are happy, safe, and healthy, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys.